Okay, we're back again, and we thought we'd show you the fabulous skincare discovery collection. I've got my glasses on now so I can read to you, and my lovely assistant here is going to be showing you. So this is fabulous. Skincare discovery kit is the original. That's the original, which we're going to show you in this video. So there's 4, and they're all tailored to different skin types, so they're fabulous. That's the original. And then we have the balance. So that one's for difficult skin, acne prone skin, oily skin, sebum, high sebum level skin. That's the balance one. This is the Nourish, which would be for me really, my type of skin, older, aging skin. Yeah, I love that, and it's got the Skin Dream in that one. And finally, love the packaging on all of these, the Glow. So give your skin a nice glow. So we're going to start off with the Signature Collection, and I'll tell you about it. And lovely Deb will show you. So what's really nice about each packaging?
Yeah,
when you...
so you take off the sleeve and you have this lovely box with, again, more of the watercolour pictures. And there's a lovely poem, which we're not going to read. We're going to let you read that when you see it yourselves. But you lift that up, and there's the products there, look, inside. Beautiful.
So that's the original box. So it comes, after Christmas we'll revert back to the box with a pouch, but at the moment it's the beautiful limited edition. Yeah. You could read what's inside there, really, the top bit. But in the original, we have a 50ml smoothing cleanser, a vitamin toner, 30ml, Skin Feast 20ml, Rainforest Dew 6ml, and that's our little serums, and I use that every day, and a bamboo face cloth. So if you'd like to show them then.
There you go. Nice
and lovely. So beautiful. It's absolutely lovely. And the cost of all the skincare discovery kits, they haven't gone up at all. They're £28. They don't come with the mini Toner balm. With the originals, you had the choice, the option to get a mini Toner balm, but that comes later in the Toner kit. So it's not that it's gone, it's in another collection. So we've got a lovely Toner collection. So that's it. And we absolutely love it. I love the Rainforest, great for ordinary type skin, not
just really
problematic.
Hydrates, doesn't it?
Really
so
does
light,
hydrate.
So if you've got problem skin, it just...
I use the Rainforest Dew every single morning. I love it. And you've got the lovely moisturiser, Skin Feast vitamin toner. A lot of people skip that, but we think it's really good to use your vitamin toner because it balances your skin, doesn't it? It does lovely things for your skin. And our lovely multi-award winning on all of them, but very multi-award winning smoothing cleanser, which everybody loves. And that's our new limited edition collection.
Skincare Discovery Kit, yeah.
Yeah, Skincare Discovery Kit, original design. Okay, that's it for now.